Burco is the aftermarket leader in providing quality products and solutions for broken side view mirrors. The following video equips you with easy-to-use instructions for installing your Burco replacement mirror. Reference the install code on your Burco mirror glass replacement box. Replacing a damaged side view mirror can be performed in 5 easy steps using Burco mirror glass replacement. You will need these tools to install your Burco mirror replacement. Please follow industry-accepted recommendations for personal safety. Install in a warm, dry environment. The broken mirror must be present and should remain in the mirror housing. Remove only loose or protruding pieces using the putty knife or screwdriver. Ensure both mirror surfaces are free of dirt or debris. Test fit the mirror replacement by placing it over the existing broken mirror to check proper fit. Apply Burco Redi Stick adhesive patches to the broken mirror or mirror replacement. Use care not to cover any signal icons if applicable. Paper backing must be removed to expose the adhesive. Align and press the mirror replacement directly to the broken mirror with firm yet gentle pressure. Make sure to align signal icons if applicable. Clean the installed Burco mirror glass replacement with glass cleaner. For additional information, visit burcoinc.com.